6:16. Let's get you back to your forecast with meteorologist Sam Schreier and pictures of the moon if you missed
I
it.
know.
Wow.
I was going to show them a lot this morning because it's a cool phenomenon that happens every year, a few times a year, usually about 3 to 4. So the moon revolves around the Earth on an ellipse, meaning not a perfect circle. Sometimes it's a little closer to Earth, sometimes a little farther away. And when it's revolving at its closest point, we have a clear sky, get a full moon, called a supermoon. So we had one last night into very early this morning. Bruce was up last night and got a shot. This was from Christine. Beautiful view there up close. Larry got it over the city, makes it look nice and huge. And then this one was super cool. You can see the moon here through the pillars and off into the sky from Jeffrey and against the Royal Gorge train. Not a bad view there. So thank you everybody who has sent those in to us. We really appreciate them. Very hot today, so it's nice to get a little bit of a nice view on our weathercast because we're about to talk about some not so great stuff. More day of heat. We will see some scattered afternoon showers and storms. Now that heat is going to be suppressing storm activity out of the mountains. So along the interstate, couple chances of rain, but better in the mountains. We're going to have more daily rain chances through time, and honestly, the next 2 weeks look really hot. So we're in July. We get hot, but this is a big old heat ridge that's getting stuck. 68 in the Springs, 70 in Pueblo, more 60s and 70s across the plains, and 50s over the mountains and valleys. That's right now. Through the afternoon, we will probably be hottest in the Springs between noon to 3 because between 2 to 3 o'clock, that's when storms kind of out of the mountains will try to develop in town. But I would say our storm chances are pretty good from 2 to 4 in Colorado Springs. Pretty hot through the start of the rodeo in the end of the evening there. And I think that it's going to be cloudy, which will make it nice and pretty dry. Pueblo, not very good chance of rain today, but hot. 103 going into 3 o'clock and only a subtle slowdown in those temperatures through 6 o'clock this evening. The heat risk. So a couple pockets where it's a little higher. Canyon City is there because it'll stay so warm at night through eastern Fremont County. But Pueblo through the eastern plains, moderate to little pockets of high heat risk just because of how toasty it's going to be today. 96 in the Springs, 96 in Canyon City, 103 in Pueblo, 103 by La Junta Lamar. And then we think tomorrow, just a small change, a little cooler by a degree or so, but stays just about as hot close to the Kansas border. So in your 7-day forecast, chance of rain today, it's not too bad, but it actually looks a little bit better the next 2 days with a slight cool down into Saturday and more rain chances through the start of next week. Pueblo, kind of a near daily chance of rain, but it's a real small chance today. I really wouldn't plan on rain today, but tomorrow and Saturday, it's a little bit better chance. Canyon City, the chances to rain are best in central and western Fremont County, so we could see rain, more chances through Saturday. In Woodland Park, it's pretty much a daily chance of rain. 1 or 2 storms a little strong, but we did look dry on Sunday.